How's it going, everyone? So I just picked up the FESTIVE llama and the 3.5 foot FESTIVE llama. So today I'm going to be unboxing the 6 foot FESTIVE llama. Picked this guy up for 35 bucks. So yeah, let's unbox him. Instructions. Yeah. If you guys haven't seen the videos of the other inflatables I've done this year, I've done about 6 now. Definitely will do that. So we'll start with this guy out. So this is new for 2019. They kind of came out with a bunch of like farm animal inflatables this year, which is kind of weird, but yeah. So, again, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but on my adapter. So I will be doing a update on my house, not my grandma and aunt's house. They don't want me to film there, so I have to respect that. So yeah, so a lot of these inflatables are going to go over there. I own over 150 inflatables. Most of them, my grandma has a huge property, so most of them do go over there, but, so if you guys are like, what the heck, doing all these reviews, and he has like 10 inflatables in his yard, yeah, that's why I do more lights than inflatables. You guys will see once the last Christmas update comes out, but yeah, or the other one, so let's plug it in. Oh, he's got a cheap band. Oh, he's actually really cool. He is 6 foot, so he's actually 6 foot tall. I thought he was gonna be 6 foot long, but yep. He's got his eyes closed. He's kind of got like a little hair fluff up there that's not inflated. He inflates pretty tight. He's got a present right here. It says follow LLAMA. So yeah, guys, that's been the unboxing of the 6 foot FESTIVE llama from Walmart. 35 bucks. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.